Hi guys, KP this side. Hope all of you are doing good. This is decoding equity markets video on 11th of February. I've been getting so many messages today, and in the last few days also I got a lot of messages that please come and make a small video on how you see markets progressing from here. And if you remember, I did my last video maybe a month ago, and I told you one thing very clearly, that as far as index is concerned, if we are talking about Nifty in specific, I told you that we might be, uh, range bound for a while, where we will see on the downside 20 to 800 is looking possible, and on the upside we might be again moving towards 24,000 mark very quickly. But 24,500 is the zone which we have to comprehensively cross, and then only we can see markets going back into the positive trajectory. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. Nothing is able to give boost to the Indian markets at this point of time. The budget was, honestly speaking, a good one. The third quarter results from overall, if you ask me, third quarter results have not been bad. Yes, for some companies it has been a disappointment, but for most of the companies, if you see overall, IT sector ka theek tha results, FMCG results were okay, banking sector results were good. Uh, and as far as the commodity sector is concerned, like if you see steel sector stocks, some have posted good numbers and some have not posted that good numbers. Same goes for cement. Some companies have posted very good numbers, like Ambuja Cement numbers were very good. uh, and so goes for auto sector. The sales that have been registered in the month of November and December have been very good for auto sector. So overall, if you see, things are looking very positive. But then, what I feel is that the more and more information that we have across the globe, the more we are becoming, you know, uh, focused on one particular news at a time, and people are just reacting based on one news. Delhi mein BJP has won the elections. Uh, your budget was a good one. RBI has decided to pump in 1,50,000 crores uh, into the banking system, which will again help boost the economy a lot. Uh, uh, all these things have not been considered. Market एक तरफा गिर रहा है, and one reason for that has been Trump, introducing new tariffs for different nations, which will include India also. So this war is going on, tariff war is going on, and everybody is focused on that right now, because of which gold prices are shooting up, dollar is continuously rising against rupee is depreciating, which makes FII take out more and more money from the Indian equity markets. From the top that we made, Nifty has corrected around 13.5%. Surprisingly, अभी इधर सब बोलते हैं that Indian equity markets are looking very expensive. That is why the correction is happening. Surprisingly, at the same point of time, if you look at Dow Jones or Nasdaq, the US markets, there is not even a correction of 2 to 3% from their all-time high. If you see CAC, DAX, FTSE, everything is almost at its 52-week high. एक बार charts खोल के देखिए, you see their 52-week range and you see their present status, you will understand that is it that the Indian markets are overreacting, even though we have a GDP projection of still above 6.5%. There has been a cut in the rates this time in RBI last meeting. सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. Government is anticipating inflation is very much in control. Yes, we have to be more careful. We have to be still watchful about the inflation. But overall, if you see, things are looking very positive as far as the Indian markets are concerned. अभी दिक्कत क्या है? If you look at index, we still see that index has corrected by 13.5% from its all-time high. That where we are standing today at 23,000 mark. But stocks, if you see, especially the mid cap and small cap, have been butchered. Some of them deserve this treatment, but for most of the stocks which are doing good, have good future potential, budget में इनको वापस allocation मिला है, stocks have corrected as much as 40, 50, 60%. There is no rationale for that. I see these jokers coming on TV and saying the stocks have done a lot of upside, so this correction was reasonable. No, this correction is reasonable to some extent, but अगर आप 50%, 60% के correction पे, in fact 50 and 60% correction in a stock, you still say that the stock is not a buy, it means you don't know much about the markets and you don't want to understand the future prospects of how India is going to grow as an economy. Because markets are having a negative sentiments, you only want to feed into the negativity. When markets are going up, then you want to feed positivity into people and you tell them to buy at any levels. And I have been continuously maintaining this, guys. You people send me messages, such immature messages, and I really don't understand when people have so much of immaturity. Why do they even in first place start with equity investments? Matlab, abhi people are asking me, are we heading for a major crash? Arey, give me a bloody reason why you see a major crash coming in. होने के लिए कुछ भी हो सकता है. I don't know, I am not God sent that I would know that यहाँ से we are heading towards 22,000 or 21,000. I don't know that, but I always love talking logics and rationale. Right now there is no good reason for me to believe why markets should correct more from here. Yeah, 22,800 is looking on the cards, 22,500 आ जाएगा, but beyond that index level पे कुछ होना नहीं है. Stocks में there is a huge opportunity, guys, huge opportunity. This is when I go contrarian to what these buffoons on the television say. I don't believe there is any reason why you should shy away from buying stocks at this point of time. आपको अगर 5100 में ट्रेंड नहीं खरीदना है, I don't know what to say. If you don't want to buy Waaree Energies at 2200 mark, I don't know what to say. If you don't want to start averaging or buying into defense sector stocks, I don't know what to say. You just want to ride the negativity in the market right now, then एक काम करिए, जो है पोर्टफोलियो में उसको लेके चुपचाप बैठिए, शांति से बैठिए and wait for the markets to recover a little bit. But if you think this is the opportunity for you and you have funds available with you, this is a very brilliant opportunity to enter into some of the stocks. दो के नाम मैंने आपको बोले हैं. वारी एनर्जीज जरूर कंसिडर करिए at 2200 mark. Huge upside potential. At least hold it for 3000 levels. Remember me, I am saying this to you on 11th of February when everybody is talking only sell in this market. KP comes and tells you to buy Waaree Energies at 2200 levels for a target of 3000 rupees, and I also tell you to buy Trent at 5100 levels for a target of 6500 rupees. दोनों स्टॉक्स में अच्छा अपसाइड पोटेंशियल है. एंड थर्ड वन इज माय फेवरेट ऑफ ऑल टाइम, एंजल ब्रोकिंग. with more and more people participating in equity markets, the stocks like Angel Broking, Motilal Oswal, you cannot go wrong with these bets. But yeah, your horizon has to be a little longer. You have to have patience. No magic is going to happen in the markets, but trust me guys, I don't have any reasons to believe why there should be more corrections in this market, especially when the stocks have corrected by 40, 50, 60%. And irony is, I'm making this video on a day when a post was shared with me where one of the financial gurus, Aswat Damodaran, who is world famous, he has said that Indian markets are highly overpriced. I don't believe that. So even I consider him my guru. I have learned a lot from his books, but this is where I would like to, you see, this is the beauty of finance, where people don't have to agree to everything said by the guru or by anybody, for that matter me also. If I'm saying something, you don't like it, you always have the rights of challenging me on my thought process. But I personally am saying this to you, there are many reasons to celebrate, and one reason only to feel bad is that, the problem with Trump is that this is a guy who is a little impulsive with his decision making, and the same thing he did in 2014. आप उस समय शायद markets नहीं follow करते थे, but I've been doing it for a decade now, more than a decade, and this guy is a little impulsive. He would make statements first and ponder about it a little later. So for me, I feel, why are we even giving him so much of importance right now when he's only talking about imposing tariffs? Once he will do it, then he will understand this is an era of globalization where even US is dependent on other countries for imports or transaction of services. So slowly and steadily this guy will get some sanity, and he will start removing these tariffs, because it is not one direction, right? It is a unidirectional thing. If he's imposing tariffs, even there will be tariffs imposed against them, and that is when they will get a dose of their own medicine. Tension nahi lena hai aapko. Stay strong guys. This is a very, very good market. Yes, stocks have corrected. If you have funds, start averaging on the good stocks. If you have more money with you, then you can even consider buying stocks, the three which I told you. Yes, but when you buy Waaree Energies, or you consider buying Trent, or you consider buying Angel One, do your due diligence, because I have very, very, very limited knowledge about markets, and मैं सिर्फ entertainment के लिए videos बनाता हूँ. I have not got much of expertise in this. आप प्लीज़ अपना ड्यू डिलीजेंस कर लेना, रिसर्च कर लेना, एंड प्लीज़ आस्क अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर बिफोर यू बाय एनीथिंग. डोंट बाय इट बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू टू बाय दीज स्टॉक्स. सो stay bullish. Yeah, I know I have been a little lethargic with making videos, and like always I can only say sorry, there are personal things going on. So but I will try to be more disciplined. I am disciplined in a lot of things in life, but this is one thing I have to learn, how to be disciplined. At least 2 videos a week, right? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. At least 2 videos a week, if I can do, I think I'll keep most of you sane, right? This is what people tell me: make a video, make a video, make a video. We're waiting for you for so long. And I really feel bad when you have to request me to make videos, because I love doing this, but lot of things are there which stops me from doing it. Lot of things on personal front, lot of things on professional front which stops me from doing it. But no excuse can be entertained, I know that. A lot of you wait for me to make videos, and I'll try to do it on a regular basis in a more disciplined manner. But for now, guys, chill. No need to worry, markets will bounce back. Trust your country, trust the growth prospects of India, trust the economic story, the economic growth story of India. We are definitely going to outperform most of the developed nations, I'm saying. So all looks good to me on the cards. This tariff story will get over in few days, and then we will see good upside in the market. Okay, chaliye, till we meet again. God bless all of you. Stay healthy, stay bullish. Cheers. Love you all. Thank you, guys.